You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this philosopher and astronomy. If you want to learn more names from ancient Greece, ancient Egypt too, stay tuned. I have more videos for you. Two different pronunciations. The Greek pronunciation is more as Hypatia. Hypatia. In English, however, the English pronunciation, the pronunciation that is most commonly used in English, is as Hypatia. Hypatia is the correct pronunciation in English, but it's also correct to say it as Hypatia, although this is more the Greek pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.